Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring beautiful and modern wall puja mandir unit designs that can transform your home into a peaceful spiritual space. Whether your home is small, modern, or traditional, these mandir designs are stylish, space-saving, and perfect for daily prayers. Wall-mounted puja units are a perfect space-saving choice for modern homes. They combine traditional style with a clean and elegant look. By using an empty wall, especially in the east or northeast direction, these compact puja spaces keep the flow free and create a peaceful corner in your living room or bedroom. You can enhance the beauty of the puja unit with wooden or marble panels, soft LED lighting, and decorative CNC jali designs for a divine atmosphere. Add floating drawers below to store incense sticks, diyas, and puja items neatly. Brass bells on the sides give a traditional touch and make the space both beautiful and functional. Wooden puja units remain one of the most loved choices for Indian homes because a simple teakwood or walnut finish wall mandir instantly creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating soft LED lights behind the wooden panel further enhances the spiritual ambience, while integrated floating shelves and drawers underneath provide neat storage for incense sticks, diyas, matchboxes, and prayer books. Ultimately, this setup is highly favored because it combines an elegant, timeless look with durable, long-lasting quality that works exceptionally well with modern interiors. Marble puja units give a luxurious and divine appearance, making them a perfect addition to modern apartments and premium interiors. White marble with gold detailing creates a clean, peaceful spiritual corner, while combining marble back panels with warm lighting establishes a serene, temple-like atmosphere inside your home. This elegant design style is highly functional, offering a rich appearance, surfaces that are easy to clean, and properties that reflect light beautifully to enhance the sanctity of your space. CNC cut jali panels are highly trending in modern puja room designs because they create a stylish, seamless blend of tradition and modernity. These decorative and artistic patterns come alive when backlit with LED strips, casting beautiful shadows that establish a deeply calming atmosphere. Homeowners frequently choose popular temple-inspired motifs, such as lotus flowers, Om symbols, bells, and geometric shapes, to enhance the spiritual ambience. Ultimately, incorporating a jali panel is one of the best features for contemporary design, as it introduces a beautifully lit, traditional touch to modern homes. For homes with limited space, a corner puja unit is an excellent, space-saving solution that transforms unused corners into a peaceful and functional prayer area. These compact corner mandirs maximize efficiency in small apartments by utilizing vertical space with small shelves for idols, elegant hanging bells, and practical storage drawers below for prayer essentials. They offer the ultimate blend of functionality and tranquility, making them incredibly easy to install while ensuring your sacred rituals fit beautifully into any modern living layout. Glass doors offer a sleek, modern, and stylish way to protect your idols and puja accessories from dust while maintaining full visibility of the sacred space. Featuring easy maintenance, these shutters, especially in frosted or etched designs, add an elegant, sophisticated touch that gives any puja room a premium and highly organized appearance. For those who love classic Indian aesthetics, a temple-style wall puja unit is a perfect choice because its rich cultural appearance and highly decorative elements create a traditional temple feel. This design works beautifully in homes with ethnic or traditional interiors by incorporating intricate wood carvings, brass bells, pillars, and dome-shaped tops to recreate the sacred atmosphere of a traditional temple. Minimalist puja units focus heavily on simplicity and calmness, utilizing clean lines, soft lighting, and sleek white finishes to establish a peaceful, meditation-like environment. This simple and elegant design approach works exceptionally well in modern apartments with Scandinavian or contemporary interiors, where creating a calm atmosphere is key. Ultimately, it delivers a highly functional yet serene sacred space that perfectly complements contemporary, uncluttered aesthetics. Lighting plays a major role in enhancing the spiritual atmosphere of a puja space, creating a peaceful and divine glow that makes the puja unit more attractive. Popular lighting options include warm LED strip lights and backlit marble panels that provide a soft, ambient radiance throughout the area. Homeowners often install hanging pendant lamps and targeted spotlights for idols to draw focus to the sacred deities. Combining these modern fixtures with traditional brass diyas achieves a perfect balance of contemporary design and ritualistic warmth, ultimately elevating the sanctity of the entire room.